Hi guys, this is Samir from Sydney PTE Study Center. And now guys, today I'm going to help you of one of the important tasks in the writing section, which is summarize written text. As you might be knowing, and from my experience, I have seen students struggling in this task because they can't identify the main ideas from the passage. So guys, today I'm going to help you and provide a very simple technique to identify main ideas. So let's say guys, you're reading a paragraph which consists of two sentences and you're confused which one to include it as main idea and which one to not. So here is my simple tip. Consider the nature of the two sentences. The sentence which requires further explanation will be your main idea guys, and you need to include that in your summary. Whereas a sentence which is only consisting of facts and figures and basically can't be challenged will not be your main idea. That will be just a fact and a figure or a supporting idea which does not need to be in your summary. Now guys, you might be thinking how we will use it. So don't worry, I have a question to enforce this. As you can see, in this paragraph, you have two sentences, one highlighted in red and one highlighted in blue. So guys, you can see that the first sentence requires further explanation from the author's side. So the author will do that. So that will be your main idea. Whereas the text in blue is just consisting of minor details like facts and figures which should not be there in your summary. So guys, please follow this strategy. And this is Samir, 79 seconds for 79 plus scores.